In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform the traditional Ukrainian dance move Viryovochka, a graceful and iconic element of Ukrainian folk choreography. We will break it down step by step so you can master both the technique and the character of the movement. Preparation position. Start with your hands on your hips and your feet in third position. Step 1. Passé path. Move your working leg along the straight leg into passé up to the knee, then lower it behind the supporting leg in the same way. Keep your hips open and your toes turned out to the side. Step 2. Sliding forward. Add a gentle slide forward with your supporting leg as the working leg passes through passé. You have to remain stable without shifting backward. Step 3. Arms. Slowly open your arms into second position, then close them back gracefully. Step 4. Coordination. Now let's combine the arms and legs for full coordination. Step 5. Advanced tips. Professional dancers often perform Viryovochka on their toes with fully extended feet. It's all about stabilization. Imagine balancing a bottle of water on your head while you move.